Chris Lee here with the Hand Safety Tool Company. Today we are going to introduce you to a tool that keeps your hands out of the line of fire by literally taking your job and shoving it. Stay tuned for more. The ShoveIt hand safety tool helps you maintain proper body positioning for safe handling. It also helps avoid hand injuries while working with suspended loads or maneuvering objects. Its V-shaped head allows you to safely push against flat surfaces, corners, and tubulars, while opposing grab hooks help maneuver cable-slung loads, cargo baskets, or grab slings and taglines without the need to physically place your hands on the item. Your hands are further protected with an ergonomic hand guard that acts as a barrier to protect hands and fingers. Another safety feature built into the ShoveIt is a dedicated tethering point for use when working at heights. The ShoveIt head comes with 3 insert options to meet your specific job requirements. Choose rubber inserts when the job requires the tool to have an anti-slip gripping surface. Choose plastic inserts when the job requires the tool to have a smooth gliding surface. Choose aluminum inserts when the job requires a high heat tool. You can choose different lengths to keep you at a safe distance from the fall zone and out of the line of fire. The 21-inch through 50-inch ShoveIts are designed with one hand guard and a D handle at the end for proper grip. The 72-inch and 90-inch ShoveIts are designed with 2 hand guards and a textured grip at the end for proper hand positioning. The ShoveIt is the first and only hands-off safety product of its kind to earn a UL verification for its push and pull load rating. You can learn where to get your hands on one of these tools by visiting handsafetytools.com. And remember, you'll keep your hands by keeping your hands off it.